Hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ASHATA cooling fan with heat sink. So this works with AMD or Intel CPUs. So as you can see, it is Chinese Lanshuto. What hell is that? So these are all the models it supports. So quite a varied amount, so even the latest ones it seems to support all the way up to i9 look. And as for AMD, so it supports everything up to AMD 4. So yeah, it supports all the latest and quite a varied amount of models. And so, all good. So this only costs £17.99, I think. £17.36 rather. Well, that's at the moment. Just under £18. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. Makes it more interesting. I'm not one for unboxing because I really don't see the point of unboxing videos. But that's just me. Right, so we get some instructions and whatever that is. So let's have a look. Yep, comes with a bag of clips. I think that's mainly supported for Intel CPU, so but we're going to be installing this on an AMD system, so all you need is those little clips right there. AMDs are pretty much easier to install than Intel CPUs, on an Intel CPU rather. Right, the fan only is a 3-pin fan. Why? Why is that a 3-pin fan? That'll be swapped out. That's going to be swapped with another fan. But why is that only a 3-pin fan? Why it should be a 4-pin fan if it goes onto a CPU? I mean, it's quite a nice one. Apart from that fan. That should be a case fan, if anything, not CPU fan. So that might be easy to swap out. Matter of just unclipping it, I'm guessing. Maybe more. Oh no, you just pull it. There you go. Just pull it out, and it's released. Oh, here we go. So that should just pull out just like that. Here we go. So there's the fan. Oh dear. There's the fan. Looks more like a case fan to me. Yeah, so fortunately I do have another fan, which I will be using. Yeah, that's definitely going to keep a CPU cool. This is going into a AMD FX computer. Yeah, disappointed with the fan. It feels very cheap, the fan, but this feels quite good. Yeah, don't use this fan. Good for a case fan, but that's about it. Why is it only 3-pin? 3-pin! Oh yeah, this was in the bottom of the box. That's for your Intel processor, the base where you mount the cooler on. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Right at the bottom of the box. I pulled this fan out of another cooler, which does have 4 pins on it. And this is what I'll be using. I don't get that, why 3 pins on the other case. It's usually standard 4-pin on a CPU, so this is what I'll be using. Right, well, I've installed the fan. One thing to remember, make sure you know what one's the pull inside, what one's the suck inside. So this is the pull inside where it pulls the air from this side, sucks it out to the back. Easy way to know that, just mount the clips, which I've done here, from the front side of the fan to the CPU cooler. So what we do here, take your clip, put it through the holes, both holes if you can. Yep, here we go, and get it lined up into the groove, and just pull it, and there you go. It's secure, as easy as that. So now we got our new fan in. So now it's just a matter of just installing it, which can be the tricky part. The bottom of it, make sure you take that off first. Now here comes the fun part. First things first is to plug the fan connector into the motherboard header, mark CPU. Also put your thermal compound right in the middle there. Everyone does it differently, but that's how I do it. Yes, the computer's a mess, but this is a test computer, so I'm not going to tidy it up just for the moaners. Anyway, so that's what it's going to be pulling from here and sucking from there. So let's see if we can put this in without any trouble at all. So on the instructions it says make sure you get it in the clip this end and put it in this end, which is easy said than done usually with these CPU coolers. They ain't the easiest thing. Let's come out this end. Here we go. Do have to give it some force to put it in, and it's not going in typically. It is putting up a fight. When you hear a clip, clank, no, it's really not going in. Okay, it's in. Yeah, standard procedure. It's going to be tough to get in until it goes click. Then you know it's pretty secure. It's a little bit of a bend there, so I don't know. I'll be alright, but we'll see how it works. Right, everything was okay apart from how I mounted the fan back. What it's got to do is got to go through the back of the fan, and the clip goes there. And done that on both areas, both sides, as you can see. Don't pay any attention to how I mounted the fan back. Do it this way. That's how it goes. From the back of the fan to clip. Make sure it doesn't. Make sure you get it in between the grooves, and that's how it mounts back. Don't pay any attention how I mounted it the first time. So here it is. It's already started up. It seems to be running fine. It's not as hard as what I made it out to be. It's the only difficulty is just clipping it into the mounts on motherboard, but apart from that it was fine. I did put the fan mounts to the CPU cooler on the wrong way around, but that was easy to rectify. I didn't even have to take it out again. It was that easy to rectify the problem. No problem at all. Let's feel it. Seems to be doing its job quite nicely. Yeah, but I would recommend, if you're thinking about buying one, replace the fan, because why would they ship out or manufacture it with a 3-pin fan? Might work okay, but you know it's supposed to have a 4-pin, so I replaced it with a 4-pin. That's the only thing to be wary of. Anyway, I'm going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.